So, hey guys, this is 13 Cron here, and my friend Cam's lovable. And we're seeing how many times I'm gonna be hiccuping because of this picture that she had on her. That was a funny. Oh, one. Okay, that's two. Put up that video again. Or that thing. Oh my gosh, that's three.
It's probably gonna be like a really long video.
Oh my gosh, four. This really is gonna be a long video. Huh. I need to see that picture again. Five. Don't see. Oh, get it. Yep. So I still. Oh, six. Gotta see how many I can go through. Oh my god. Her photo of her is so funny. Oh my gosh, seven. When I run out of hands, you're gonna use your hands, okay? Eight. I'm already at 8.
Crap.
Oh
well. Oh, it's not doing it. I got the other video up there.
Oh, I got
it's right there.
I need you to put up your hands now, like
right.
11.
11.
Mm-hmm.
All right. It was
told you. Yeah. Get it.
Hopefully you guys can hear that.
Oh my gosh. 3. This is gonna be a long video.
It looks like
yeah. 5.
Oh.
6.
Oh, what are we gonna do now? We're gonna use your toes.
Alright, wait, hold on. My socks here.
No, not literally.
I will. They go off. Oh.
17. I'll just
17.
count my head.
Oh.
18.
That's 19. 19. 10 or 20.
20.
Oh. So we're at 20.
20. Remember that number.
20. We're just gonna go like that by 10. Oh.
21.
Oh.
That's gross.
Ew. Oh, grandpa.
No.
22.
Alright, I'm gonna give this video to the Justin Bieber fans out there. If you like Justin Bieber.
23. Ew.
Oh no!
I hate Justin Bieber.
This is not for you. It's not for you. Let's do this one, my favorite song.
Oh, that's 24 now? Yeah, 24. Oh, 25. 20, yeah, 25.
Their new album,
26.
oh my gosh.
26.
Love, believe.
27.
I love him. That's the only reason why I love the song.
Oh, I feel I think it's 29. Burned. No, 28. 29, 28. I think 28. 29.
You mean we're gonna have a dance party for the our New Year's Eve video.
Okay.
2 minutes before.
Oh, 30.
No, like an hour before, and I'm up, and I'm like
20,
set
31.
It at exactly 12 o'clock.
31.
We'll set it at like 3 minutes before.
Not 22 or 32. I'm not dancing to this song.
No, not this one.
34. God, my hiccups. Oh, 35.
Sorry.
It's okay. 36. Oh,
Oh, sorry.
oh, 37.
Or do you want to do One Republic? Or the Ready Set?
What?
Which one do you want to do? Katy Perry. Choose a song. Choose an artist. That makes it dance too.
Jason Derulo.
Alright.
I heart him. Yeah. Make me laugh. I think they're gone. I feel like I need it though, you know.
Okay.
So I think it's 37. Alright, I think it's 37. Plus like the 20 times
Yeah.
before this. So 37 plus 20. 20 is from before this video. Equals. What does that equal? 57.
Okay.
Yeah.
57 times.
Yeah, 57 times I burped/hiccuped. But seriously, you need to see her picture. It's hilarious.
Hopefully it'll show up. You probably won't be able to see it.
Actually, wait, I think I know why. Hold on.
No, order it.
Happy New Year's. Save
Alright.
changes.
No, it's plain.
Oh.
Smart one. Wait. Arrange. Shut up.
Oh my god. Double click on it.
Wait. Alright. My channel.
Alright, look at that. Wait a second, you gotta let. Wait.
Is that
Wait, hold on. You gotta dim this down some. There you go, maybe that'll take us. Look at her face! So
my face, look at
that! That's funny.
Funny as crap.
Maybe. Yes. Funny as crap. Alright,
let's arrange it back to the way it was.
Peace out, sucker.